As far as I'm concerned, life is art. This is where it's the art of living. As a vibrational healer, sound healer, I've been given this gift to allow people to go deeply within themselves, to relax so deeply that the answers come to them really well from doing that. Take what we had. I'll be set up in the space with my equipment, my sound healing equipment. I'll be weaving the sounds with her dancing. Which will be a part of the art experience. Sophia is just so elegant. The control that she has over her body, it's just amazing. It makes you want to move. There's a sensuality that she expresses, strength, and a sense of knowing who she is. A lot of people are experiencing a lot of shifts and change in their lives at the moment. Relationships, jobs, finance. Sound healing is about that. It's about reminding you of who you are. It takes you deep within yourself. And so as we bring these two elements together with movement and dance and sounds and song and art, it creates a healing experience.